Here's how to fix Siri not talking on your iPhone. Now, the first thing we're going to do is head into your settings. We're going to do everything here directly in the settings. I have an iPhone 16 Pro, but you can do this on any iPhone. Now, on here, the first thing we'll do is toggle airplane mode on. This will disconnect from any signal, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cell data, and then we'll just turn that off after a little bit and just reconnect to everything. Just reconnecting to the internet a lot of times fixes the issue. If that doesn't fix the issue, we're going to scroll down here and you can see Apple Intelligence and Siri, or yours might say Siri and search. Just tap on that. Now, the next thing we'll do is tap on talk and type to Siri. And we're going to switch it, if it's set to Hey Siri, we're going to just switch it to off and disable press side button for Siri. So we're going to completely disable Siri and then just reinitiate Siri. So turn on side button, hit enable, and we can switch it to Hey Siri. And you can go through the prompts of setting up Siri again by using your voice. Now, if that doesn't work for you, the next thing that we'll do is we'll go back out of here because there are some other potential culprits. You can see here Siri responses midway down. Just tap on that. If this is set to prefer silent responses, then of course you won't be able to hear Siri talking back to you. You want to prefer spoken responses, or you can choose automatic depending on your preference. Now, after we've done that, you might also have an issue with the voice that Siri is using. So tap on the voice here, and I would recommend switching it to a different voice. You can see it goes through the process of downloading it, so just download a new voice and switch it to a different voice, see if that helps to fix the problem with Siri. Of course, you can see at the very bottom, you need to wait till it's fully downloaded. Now, after we've gone through all these steps, if it still isn't working, let's go back to the beginning of your settings again. We'll just tap on General towards the bottom, and we'll tap on the Software Update option here. Just update to the latest version. A lot of times, just updating your iOS operating system fixes a lot of bugs and glitches on your iPhone. If that doesn't fix it, let's go back out of here, and still within the General section of your settings, let's scroll down to the bottom and just hit the shutdown button at the very bottom. This will just reboot your phone. A lot of times, again, just restarting your phone fixes a lot of bugs and glitches on that specific electronic device. Your phone could have been up and running for days or weeks without a proper reboot. So just reboot your phone and it should be good to go.